Long time no see. I hope it's really focused on me. So, this would happen to me. I literally just filmed this whole entire video, going like in depth, doing a tutorial and everything, and not only was my mic not on, but it was out of focus the whole time. So, this is a great way to start this video. But today we are reviewing Kaja Beauty. Hope you can see that. I swear, if this video just ends up being out of focus, I'm gonna cry. But yes, so the other day I had just sat down to do my makeup when I got a package delivered to me, and I was like, what? Well, this is weird, because I hadn't ordered anything. And then I opened it up and it was this, and I was like, what? And then I almost started crying. I got very emotional. I was like, why? Why me? Why did you send this to me? I'm no one. Like, do you see my channel? Like, I don't even post. Like, it's been a while since I have done a makeup video, but we're doing one today. Kaja Beauty is going to be launching in Sephora. It is a K-beauty brand. I don't know when this is gonna get uploaded, but it should be available on Sephora.com September 18th and in select stores September 28th. So they sent over this box. It was wrapped in this really nice Korean cloth. And oh no! I already dropped something, but it looks this, and I've already dropped stuff. So yeah, I already said I filmed a whole tutorial on this look that you see on my face, and there's no audio. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to talk about each product, and up on the screen I'm going to show you, like, I guess how I did it on my face, just like up in the corner here or something, because I don't feel like doing my makeup again. I'm not taking this off. I'm actually happy with this makeup. So I'm just gonna talk about each product. And yeah, I want to say like a big thank you to Kaja Beauty and also I think Memebox for sending this over to me. I am so excited that there are more like K-beauty brands being carried in Sephora. It makes me so happy because I love K-beauty and it's not as like accessible to me or accessible for me to get because it's not like, you know, Etude House or Peri Peri where I have to go to foreign like sites to order them. So I guess like let's just like get on into this review. I'm still very upset about this whole like, I was so happy that I filmed this. Whatever, it's fine, it's fine. Alright, the first product that I'm going to be talking about is the Beauty Bento, I think that's how you pronounce it, little eyeshadow trios. Now these are going to retail for $21 and they are curated bite-sized shadows, apply intense one swipe shimmer for some serious eye candy. That's what it says on here. I have this like thing explaining all of them. And they do come in two shade sets. The first one is Rosewater, and I'm gonna put up on the screen like swatches and everything as well. So the first one is Rosewater, and it comes with, the first shadow is like a light, super light pink shimmer. The second one is a baby pink, and the third one is a magenta. The second set is Orange Blossom, and the first color is a like champagne pink. The third is a peachy pink, and the fourth is, I don't know how to describe this shade, like a mauve wine pink, I guess. I don't know. Not really mauve, kind of like wine. I don't know. But these are so cute. They're so convenient too. You can just like throw them in your bag. They're also super easy to apply. Literally like, oh my gosh. I guess I'll like explain how I did it on my eyes today. So for these, you can either just like wear them on their own, or like how I did today, I put a pink eyeshadow underneath and then put the shimmer on top of it. So that's kind of how I did it. You don't need like a glitter glue or anything. It is a little bit, I feel like it is more like glittery than shimmery, like, but they're so pretty. Oh my gosh. Even I feel like you could use this like on your face, like over your highlighter or on your body. I don't know, like on your collarbones. That would be really pretty. So yeah, that's it for that one. I feel like this is gonna be such a short video now. I'm so sorry. I don't know what happened. I have never had like a problem with my mic, so I'm kind of upset about that, but whatever, we'll just do. The next product that I'm gonna be talking about are the cheeky stamps. Now these aren't like the cutest things ever. Like once I show you this, you're gonna be like, okay, I need all of them. So they are heart-shaped blush. Oh my god, I can't read this thing. Heart-shaped blush adds a natural looking flush and build intensity by stamping multiple times. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Has a cute little heart on the top, and so this bottom part right here is just like a blush cushion, and then you unscrew the top and it is a heart stamped like sponge. Like, oh my gosh, like that is so cute. Oh my gosh, this is my favorite thing out of the whole entire collection. Like if I were to suggest like anything or recommend anything out of this whole entire collection, if you just want to get like one thing, I would suggest getting these. Like these are so cute. So they do come in 4 shades, and I have all 4 for you. So the first one is Koi, and it is just like a mauvey pink color. The second one is Saucy. This is kind of like a salmon pink. Yeah. The third one is Feisty, which is what I'm wearing today, and this is like your Barbie pink blush. And the last one is Bossy, and it is a peachy orangey color. These are all so cute. So like, I guess I'll just show you. So literally, you just have your blush or your cushion, and then you just crush it in there, and then you just stamp it on your face. Again, I'll show a little clip of me doing my makeup. These are so nice. They really blend out very nicely. The one thing I was afraid of before trying these out was whether it was gonna like pick up any of my foundation underneath and make it patchy, and it doesn't do that, which is so nice, because sometimes when I put like even like a liquid highlighter over my foundation, it just picks up the foundation and it looks really bad, but it does not do that. As you can tell, it looks super nice. It's also really buildable, so if you want just like a natural looking finish, you can do that, or you can build it up and really like intensify the color. I am like in love with these. They're like, what I've noticed from this whole collection is that they're very like kind of for like your girl on the go who needs to like do her makeup super quick and doesn't want to have like a whole bunch of tools. Like literally all of these products like you can like use with your hands which is really nice. But yeah, all you have to do is just stamp it on and then just blend it out with your finger, and it looks super pretty. Also, these are gonna retail for $24. The next product I'm gonna talk about is the Mochi Glow highlighters. Now, okay, I'm gonna show swatches of these, and I'll just admit, like, the swatches do not look good, but like, look at my highlight. Like sometimes you cannot base like a product off of a swatch. Like I feel like we all know that. Like even if it swatches badly, like it can still look good like on the face. So these are gonna retail for $19 and there's 4 shades of them. So the first shade is Toy Alien, and this is kind of like, this kind of reminds me of like Becca's, I think it's like Moonlight color or something along the lines. It's just like more kind of champagne-y, like light champagne color, I would describe it. The second one is Prism, and it is a just nice like pink highlighter. The third one, which is what I'm wearing, is Luna, and this is a more like of a kind of peachy tone to it, but it doesn't look super peachy on my skin. And then the last color is Stardust, and it's a really pretty kind of like caramely bronze color. So yes, there's 4 shades of these, and they are like a cream, it's like a cream to powder highlighter is kind of how I would describe it. Like it almost kind of feels like putty. Like it definitely isn't like a powder highlighter, but once you put it on, it does like dry down and it's not sticky or anything, which is really nice. So you again won't have any troubles with like it picking up your foundation or anything, or at least I don't have any problem with that. And yes, these are a very like buildable highlighter, so if you are wanting like a more like natural kind of finish to it, you can get that, or if you want like a blinding highlight, you can obviously do that too, which is super nice. Like no joke, I had swatched them and I was like, oh, this is just like a K-Beauty highlighter, because you know, I feel like a lot of K-Beauty highlighters aren't like super intense, you know, they're a lot more on the natural side, but I was wrong, thank God. And I also like that it is that like cream to powder product, because it doesn't, I don't know, I just feel like it looks more like dewy. It's not super like powdery looking, even though it is like a cream to powder, if that makes any sense, because I have more normal to dry skin and I hate when my highlighters just look like powdery and just like stuck right there, and it just doesn't blend very well into the skin. But these blend so nicely and they look so nice. Oh my goodness, I love these highlighters. And the last product that I'm going to be talking about are the Cushy Vibe lipsticks or lip stains. Now they come in 6 shades, and I have 3 shades for you guys. The first shade is number 4 Cashmere, and that is what I'm wearing today, and it is a magenta color. The second one is number 1 Satin Sheets, and it is just like your basic red lipstick. And the third one is number 3 Silk Robe, and it is like a pinky mauve color. Now this formula is very interesting to me. I don't think I have anything like this in my collection, and it is like a whipped like formula. Like when I read that these were like a stain, I was like, okay, it's gonna be like that watery, you know, formula that most like stains are. But then I like looked at it and I was like, oh, this looks like a whipped like liquid lipstick. It has like a whipped consistency, but it dries down like a stain. That's what's very interesting. Like you put it on and it feels very like smooth on the lips, and then it just completely dries down and it almost feels like there's literally nothing on my lips. And it's really nice because you can, again, just like, oh my goodness, I keep repeating myself, but like a lot of these other products, you can really like build the pigment and intensity. Like today, because I am using this one, which can be super dark, but I made it more so that it is kind of just like that stain finish to it. But you can definitely make this a lot darker if that's the look you're going for. I really like these. If they can come out with like a terracotta brown color, I will be all over that, because that is like my go-to lip color. So just saying, if you don't have one, you should get that. I will literally buy it. I honestly will probably buy the other shades of these because I really do like the finish, because I am someone that I don't really like liquid lipsticks. I used to love liquid lipsticks, but they would just, I don't like the feeling of them like being super dry. Like, yes, it's nice that they're like long lasting, but honestly, like, I don't mind reapplying my lipstick as long as like my lips are comfortable. Also, like, I don't know if other people have this problem, but sometimes if a liquid lipstick is like too drying, it makes my lips look smaller, which like obviously no one wants that look. So these are super nice. They look super smooth on the lips. They aren't super drying, and they are pretty long lasting. Like, I can get a couple hours like use out of this before I have to reapply. And also when I do reapply, like, I don't have to completely take off like the rest of my lipstick, because most of the time, you know, you only start like fading like, you know, on that inner rim of your lips, and a lot of like liquid lipsticks don't build well on top of each other, but this one, like, I can put it on itself and it's fine. Like, it's fine, it feels fine, like it looks like I just put on like a whole new coat. I don't know if I said the price, but these are going to retail for $18. Alright, and that is my review for Kaja Beauty. I'm so sorry that I couldn't do like a full in-depth like tutorial on this look that I have using all the products. You know, we'll hopefully be able to put it up on the screen. But I hope you guys still liked it. I really just wanted to get this video done. That's why I didn't just like completely take off my makeup and redo it, because I really want to get this up, you know, by the time like that it does launch or beforehand. Thank you again to Kaja Beauty for sending this over to me. I am absolutely in love with all of these products. And yeah, make sure to subscribe. I know I've been gone for a little bit, but I want to be uploading a lot more. Also, give this a thumbs up if you like this video. Make sure to follow me on all of my social media accounts. I post a lot of makeup looks on there, so if you are interested in seeing more makeup looks from me, follow me on Instagram. It is at Marissa_Allen97. I'll have it listed in below. And yeah, guess that is it for me today. If you guys liked this video, this review, buy all the products. I'm not just saying that because they said it to me. I actually really enjoy all these products. Yeah, I guess until next time, bye guys.